Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. Apple and cinnamon is a classic combination. It reminds us of Christmas. Today I'll show you how to make apple and cinnamon jam using microwave. To make apple cinnamon jam, we will need apple. We need to peel off the skin. We will need 2 apples. Peel the skin of the apple. Once you peel it off, you need to cut them into small pieces. After you cut them, transfer them in a microwave dish. Wrap them in plain film. Cover them in a thin film and microwave it for 3 minutes. Microwave it for 3 minutes or till they become soft. Alright, it's been now 3 minutes and let's check on our apples if they are cooked and have become soft. Take out the film. Let us go ahead and mash them. You can see the apples have become very nice and have become soft, so we can mash it very easily. Mash it very well. Alright, the apples have now mashed well and nice. Let us add 1/4 cup of sugar into it. Mix well. So that the sugar completely melt into the mixture. After the sugar mixes well with the mixture, let us now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into it. This will give a very nice sour taste to the dish. Mix them together and microwave it for 8 minutes uncovered. Alright, it's been now 8 minutes. Let us take it off the microwave. The jam is almost done. To it, let us now add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Our apple jam, into it goes half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it well. It smells delicious. There you go, our apple and cinnamon jam is now ready. Allow it to cool down and store them in an airtight container and refrigerate it. It does not have any preservatives and it is really good for you. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on how to make apple cinnamon jam using microwave. Please do check out my website www.veenaskitchen.com for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com.